In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Pixel to ClickFunnels. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Meta Pixel properly connected so you can track visitors, optimize your funnels, and send accurate data back to your ads manager. I'll go slowly and explain what each part means so you feel confident about what you're doing. First, log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. In that menu, locate the option labeled Site and Blog. Go ahead and click it. When you do, it will expand and show a few more options underneath. From those options, select Site Settings. This is where you control global settings for your site, including tracking and analytics. After you've opened Site Settings, scroll down the page until you find the section called Tracking Codes. This is the area where ClickFunnels lets you plug in various third-party tracking tools such as pixels and analytics scripts. Take your time scrolling so you don't miss it. It's usually somewhere in the middle or lower part of the settings page. Inside the tracking codes section, look for the label that says Facebook Pixel ID. Directly below that label, you'll see a text field. This is where you need to paste your Meta Pixel ID. You should already have your Pixel ID copied from your Meta Events Manager, so simply click inside the field and paste it there. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the number, as that can sometimes cause issues with tracking. Once the Pixel ID is in place, look a little further down in the same tracking code section for Facebook Access Token. Right underneath that label, there will be another field. This is where you paste your Facebook Pixel Access Token. Again, copy it from your Meta account and paste it carefully into this field, ensuring it's complete and accurate. After you've added both your Pixel ID and your access token, it's important to save your changes. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the site settings page. There, you'll see a button labeled Update Site. Click this button to apply and save everything you've just configured. Once the site updates successfully, your Facebook Pixel will be connected to ClickFunnels. From here, you can test your setup using the Meta Pixel Helper or Events Manager to confirm that events are firing correctly when people visit your pages or move through your funnel.